Samsung is anticipated to conduct its upcoming Unpacked event on January 17, during which the Galaxy S24 series is slated to be unveiled. This event is scheduled to occur in the United States. A recent leak from Tarun Vats suggests insights into the pre-order and sales schedule. As per Vats, pre-orders are set to commence immediately after the event, and shipments are projected to be delivered between January 26 and 30. Subsequently, a comprehensive market launch is expected to follow. The event is scheduled to occur in San Jose, distinct from San Francisco but part of the same Bay Area where numerous tech companies, including Google in Mountain View, Facebook in Palo Alto, and Apple in Cupertino, are headquartered. The upcoming Galaxy S24 flagships are expected to maintain the design of their predecessors, with significant software enhancements such as One UI 6.1 and the inclusion of generative AI called Gauss. In certain markets, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are likely to feature the Exynos 2400, while the S24 Ultra will exclusively come equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, featuring an enhanced Major Cortex-X4 core of the CPU. Contrary to previous trends, Samsung appears to be moving away from curved screens for the Galaxy S24. Despite retaining curved sides, the screen itself is rumored to be entirely flat, a departure from the company's history of gradually reducing the curvature on flagship phablets and introducing flat panels on non-Ultra devices. Leaker Ice Universe suggested that while the Galaxy S24 will maintain curved sides, the screen is anticipated to be completely flat. The renders of the S24 Ultra align with this shift, presenting a familiar design that resembles the Pixel 8 Pro by eliminating curved edges along the sides of the panel. This change signals a departure from curved screens by some of Android's major players, with flat edges making a strong comeback, potentially becoming a lasting trend, even as Motorola continues to incorporate curved screens in some of its devices. Ice Universe reiterated the previous leak in a subsequent tweet, providing more details about the Galaxy S24 Ultra's flat panel. The screen is expected to measure around 6.8 inches with a 1440p resolution, a notable improvement from the 1750 nits panel featured in this year's Galaxy S23 Ultra. The upcoming model is projected to boast a peak brightness of 2500 nits, indicating a substantial enhancement. In addition to the advancements in the display, rumors suggest that the S24 Ultra will incorporate a titanium frame, contributing to a reduced weight of just 233 g. This represents a significant leap compared to the current year's phone. As for the other devices in the lineup, Samsung is directing its focus towards the Galaxy S24 Plus. Notably, the S24 Plus is set to receive crucial display upgrades, including slightly larger screens for both the S24 and S24 Plus compared to their predecessors. The S24 Plus is expected to transition to QHD resolution, resulting in a screen that is even more pixel-dense than that of the S24 Ultra. It might feel like the Galaxy S24 is far off in the future, but the phone is coming sooner than you think. With Samsung's latest foldables officially unveiled, we're left with the S24 lineup to focus on. And whether the company commits to launching 2 phones or 3 in early 2024, you can bet they'll be Android phones worth keeping your eye on.